Real cheating app. Real security. Real connections. World's #1 cheating app for married and detached. Safe. Real profiles. Real people means real profiles. Connecting real people for over 10 years. Established with the integrity that you would expect from the highest quality sites. Safe and secure. Security and safety are #1 at Victoria Milan. Our crackerjack team of expert computer security specialists have created a system that even governments would be envious of. Verified users. Each user is verified through Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, or elsewhere. Panic button. Avoid your spouse surprising you in the middle of an online flirt. Press the panic button. Why use a cheating ad? Saved my marriage. Victoria Milan saved my marriage. Now I have a fantastic sex life and a loving, caring and happy life with my lovely husband. Cheryl, 39. Missing attention and excitement. After joining Victoria Milan, I got a new lease on life and I'm loving every minute of it. Everything is perfect now. Thanks Victoria Milan. Daniel, 45, New York.
Thousands of married and detached cheating tonight. Sign up for free. Try 100% free and anonymously.